Successful models.
Welcome to some class in space with models that don't speak any English.
I have so many questions.
Not now, dude. Somebody say the letters.
The letters.
What?
¿Qué?
Que alguien diga las letras.
He's praying to his god.
Otra persona. Okay, listen to this. They've already got it, dude. This sound is the most common vowel sound in English.
Significa vale, creo.
It's so important it even has its own name.
They call it the schwa.
¿Qué dijo?
This sound does not exist in the Spanish language. But all these letters and combinations are often reduced to the schwa.
¿Alguien entiende lo que está diciendo?
Nada.
Try saying this.
Creo que se supone que debemos decir la palabra. Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor.
Doctor.
Okay, say doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor.
They're saying doctor, dude.
Remember the sound.
¿Qué? Doctor. Doctor.
Doctor.
Dude.
Dude.
Doctor.
That sounded great.
Doctor.
Great, now try this one.
Ooh, mad owls.
Nope.
Oh.
It's models.
Models.
Models. Models.
Doctor.
What?
Some words have more than one schwa.
Successful.
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 Now try the next one.
Successful models.
Successful models.
Successful models. Doctor. ¿Estás bien, Juan? Estoy practicando.
Are we sure they don't speak English?
They're speaking it now.
But the accents, dude.
It's not the first time we've seen it, dude.
That is true.
And finally, try this.
Successful models are vital.
Successful models are vital.
Successful mad owls are vital.
What kind of weird-ass sentence is that?
Finally, there is a difference between and
And what the f*** are we doing in space?
Don't worry about that. Okay, say the following words. Back in a bit.
Okay, we is dumb.
Wisdom.
We is not dumb.
Wisdom.
We is dumb.
Wisdom.
Okay, ass, seek, and...
A second.
Are seeking what?
A second.
En serio? A second Juan. A second Juan? Oh,
Bottom.
Bot, am.
Bottom.
Bottom? Why does it say phone me at the bottom? Huh? Air fat?
Effort.
Air fart?
Effort.
Air fort?
Effort.
Effort. Ars is ta?
A sister.
Ass, sister.
A sister.
A sister.
A sister.
A sister? Yeah, Marcos. Melons. Oh, yeah.
Melons. Wait, what?
Melons. Oh. Melon zoo?
Melon zoo?
Melons. Harpin ass.
Happiness.
Hairpin ass.
Happiness.
Happiness? A bee.
All right, let's do this.
Pleasant company.
Random company.
Super melons.
Bottom effort.
What?
Better melons.
Monumental effort.
Monumental bottom.
Monumental melons.
Super figure.
Better figure.
Clever melons.
Clever company.
Super member.
Clever member.
Eager melons.
Legal cousin.
Second cousin.
Pleasant melons.
Did anyone explain to Juan how to play this?
I thought you did.
I thought you did.
Powerful melons. A monster toot.